Once you automate, you never go back.
Stop uploading files manually. Let's automate the entire process. Here, we connected Google Drive to ParserData API using n8n. The moment a new invoice hits your drive, the workflow triggers. ParserData extracts the data instantly in the background. Done. The raw data is returned as a structured JSON file, ready to be pushed into your database or ERP system. Need a human-readable format? It's also waiting for you in the dashboard. Download the Excel report with perfectly mapped line items. ParserData API. Build your own automation flow today.